Hello everyone, I hope you are in good mood and have a nice day. So this is my PBL project for the embedded subject. This project called the refrigerator door alarm. This is for the refrigerator when it's open the door or close the door. This is basically the alarm for people who forget to close their refrigerator in a long time. Okay, let's see how this project making. For the first thing, you have need Arduino, the sensor, the display, the LED, the buzzer, the push button, and the potentiometer. Let's see how it's run. Okay, we can see here the alarm is not active because I have set it. The temperature is when the temperature is below than 20, it will active. If the temperature is higher, it will not active. Let's set down the temperature to 19. Okay, 19. We can see here the LED is active and it's blinking. The buzzer also is active. This means the buzzer will make a sound and the LED will be blinking when the refrigerator door is open. Let's see the coding and how it's construct. Okay, the first thing we need the library for the LED. I'm sorry, for the LCD. Because we use the LCD, so we need the library. Float time is for the temperature. In reading for the reading of the temperature. Integer for the temp pin. Integer for the LED pin, which mean for the LED 7 and 8. Integer I for the change of the LED. Integer port pin 1 for the potentiometer. Integer buzzer pin for the buzzer. And integer button pin 1 and button pin 2 for the push button. For this project, we have 3 inputs and 3 outputs. The input is the potentiometer, the sensor, and the push button. For the output, it will be LCD, LED, and buzzer. So there is basically the project making. So the project purpose is to notice people when they not close their refrigerator in a long time. Because do you know how the refrigerator works? When the door is open, it will work with double, which means it will process the temperature with more overload works until it reaches a stable temperature for the refrigerator. So, some people might have a kid at house, so this might be help them to notice if their children is open the door of the refrigerator, but then they not close the door. Okay, that's all. Thank you for my project.